And hello everyone, welcome back to another Bootstrap tutorial. So in this tutorial, we'll be talking about badges in Bootstrap. Now a badge is almost like when you open up a website and there's maybe like a notification badge though, like saying 1 or new or something like that. That's a badge. It is a small thing to maybe catch your attention. And we'll see this in a second. Now, if I go H1 and just put some thing here, for example, your feed, and let's say your feed is a new feature we added to the website. So we want to make it known to people that this is new. To do that, we can add a span with the class of badge, and then that's actually all we need. We just need the badge class. And we can say new because it's new. Now you won't really see anything because it's currently in a different color. But if we were to add a background color, for example, BG secondary, then now it says new. And the nice thing about a badge is it scales depending on what text you have here. For example, if we say H5, it's going to scale to the size of that H5. If we say P, it's going to scale to that P tag. I'm going to say H5 just because then I don't have to zoom in, or H4 is also good, as you can see. And you can of course give it different styles. For example, success is also very common use because something is new, so it's a success, you know. And you have dark, and you have all of the other colors we have already covered a ton of times over the course of this tutorial. Now, they are not limited to just being this ugly looking square thing. You can also make them a pill. Now, to do that, you can just say rounded pill. And now it's a round pill. Now, usually it would look a bit better, the pills at least, when they're not used with text. So now it's just a pill. And you can say, I am cool. And that can be like a badge you put on someone's profile. Maybe like a tag they have on their Tinder profile that says, well, when someone types in something, what should they get? A pill. And yet again, you can use all of the colors you want here. Danger. It doesn't matter. All of the colors work. And then as I said when we started the tutorial, you'll usually see a badge on a notification or something like that. Somewhere like that. Well, let's create that. Let's create a button that people can click. Button. And this button can just contain BTN and then BTN secondary. I think that should look good. And here we can say messages. And now it's just a button that shows messages. And we can of course just give it a little bit of a margin. Now this is usually at the bottom of the screen, or this has maybe like a message logo or something, but we have yet to get to images or icons in Bootstrap. But usually this would be like your messages. Imagine this is a message logo, like a notification logo. Now usually they'd have like a little number at the side, which is a badge. And we can add a badge like that as well by going span, then adding our badge class, and then our BG danger. Now usually you want to use BG danger to kind of grab the user's attention, because red grabs the attention of people, because if they see red, they kind of look at it. Their eyes goes there first. So you want to say, hey, you have like 5 messages here, and then I can see it says 5. Maybe not secondary, maybe primary. That also looks good, but they all look trash. But it's fine. Maybe even success. Yeah, I mean, let's go primary. It's fine. Anyhow, so now there's a little badge there that says you have 5 notifications. So let's just maybe change this to messages. Just so it looks a bit more. There we go. A bit more realistic. And of course you can say pill rounded to make it a bit more round. Or not pill rounded, but rounded pill, of course. There we go. And now you have that iconic round notification tag you usually see on apps when you look at your home screen. That's a badge. And that's that. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all again in the next Bootstrap tutorial.